Hello everyone, so I'm moving to my home country and I have sent all my shisha stuff. Hope that I will make new videos from there, but so far I have 1 month here in my house. Sorry, I have to cut my video because I have to show you guys how to attach this one, because there is no rubber. You don't have to force it, it will just go inside directly, and then you have to turn it to that corner and now it is tight. You can see I can easily pick it up from here. Okay, yep, it's done. So here we have the head. We can easily place it over here and it's done. Okay, and I'll make the next video, because the other thing, it's all, this is the thing, this is the pipe, so all the things are simple. Yes, this is also good, and in the next video I'll make the shisha, make it ready, and we'll show you how it's working.